Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Black Shark 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change image quality in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. As you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more options. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here. As you can see, it gives us access to it. And now let's move to the left corner. When we tap on this button, we get access to the advanced camera settings, and as you can see here we have the picture quality, so when we click on this we can pick from it, and we can pick high, standard and low. So this is how it works here. And of course I suggest you to keep turning it on the high quality because it's the best possible. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.